It's that time of year, and today I am making gingerbread. I think it's gonna work. One of my favorite things this time of year, and I think that I even like it a little bit more than pumpkin. Okay, so delicious gingerbread going up now. And first thing you're gonna do is beat your egg. Just get that out of the way. We're gonna add all of the wet ingredients together and then the dry, and then we'll blend it. 1/4 cup of molasses, because what would gingerbread be without molasses, right? Like, that's the key factor, giving it that nice, I call it like a deep, rich flavor. So this is a healthier option to a lot of those recipes that you find out there that are using white flour and white sugar, or even, you know, the brown sugar that doesn't retain any nutrients. So we swapped all those out. And we're using 1 cup of applesauce. This is unsweetened. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I kind of give mine a little heavier pour because I really like vanilla a lot. I am gonna add my butter to the, even though this is soft, it's not melted, it's just soft, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this in with my liquid. And my butter is salted, so I don't need to add additional salt. Just give that a nice stir. Set that to the side. Go ahead and get our dry ingredients ready in here. This is such a fun thing to take, which you'll see when we're finished. I'm doing a Christmas tree mold, and it's a fun thing to take to your Christmas parties or just have for your family on Christmas morning. So I am using 1 3/4 cups of fresh ground wheat berries. I just put my wheat berries in the grinder, and there's a lot of fiber in here. Whole grains are something that we need to get into our lives if you are not gluten sensitive or gluten intolerant. I am using sucanat, which is just dehydrated sugar cane, as close to the sugar cane as you can get, and it retains nutrients, which is why this is a much better option. So we are using 1 cup of sucanat. We are using 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and in here I have 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of clove. And the reason why we don't just dump all this in together is just to make sure that this is well incorporated before we add. I don't really even know if it makes a difference, but today I'm gonna make sure that I'm doing it right. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add my wet to the dry. And after we're done with this, I'm gonna make a nice icing to put up on here. Blend that together. Okay, I think we've got that good to go. I think it's gonna work. I have this beautiful Christmas mold, and I went ahead and oiled and floured. When you add a little bit of flour, then it just pops right out. You don't even have to worry about taking a knife to go around. Very worth it. This can go into a regular bread pan and it will all fit, but this is a little bit smaller. You only want to fill it 3/4 full, or you'll have a mess on your hands. I made this before, had a mess, went all over the oven. You know, that's a lot of fun. You don't want to do that. So don't be like me, only fill it 3/4 full. And then we're gonna do something fun with the leftovers. So you're gonna fill it just about like that. It's good to go. We're gonna pop it in the oven at 350, about 50 minutes. Everybody's oven's different. You might want to set yours for 45 and just start testing it. It could take up to an hour depending on your oven. I have not had mine take that long. To make the frosting, I am using 1/2 block of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of honey crystals, and this is similar to white sugar. It is sucanat, which is sugarcane natural, combined with honey to give it a lighter texture, a lighter flavor, lighter color. 1/4 cup, teaspoon of vanilla, Blend that up. Hopefully it's not, yeah. Okay, so we have this smooth and creamy, ready to go. Gonna try it. Just gotta taste. Because it's delicious. Now,
yep, that's good.
If you want yours to have 0 grit, you can powder your honey crystals in a flat blade ninja coffee grinder or something like that. I don't mind, so I just do it. It is as is. It's delicious. I'm gonna pipe mine on just to frame out the tree. It makes it look so pretty. It's not white because the honey crystals do have that yellow tinge, but it still looks very pretty. Okay, gonna push that out. Ooh, it's already coming out. That was fast. My actual tip got in the garbage disposal, so I'm having to improvise. Look at how the detail that this pan leaves, which is absolutely beautiful. I just love it so much. You know, you really could just do the whole tree, and we're just gonna do the whole tree, and then it will look like it snowed. Oh, my tip. Dadgummit. I'm having tip problems. All right, I think I got it. This is gonna turn out pretty somehow. But we're gonna throw some walnuts up on here, and it's gonna look like Christmas decoration. Okay. All right, we first have to have one at the top because you gotta have a tree topper for sure. There we go. All done. All right. That's a big bite. My favorite time to eat. Cheers. Cheers.
That's good.
So good.
Raisins really make it, I think.
That's exactly what Meredith said. You could also put chocolate chips. You know, there's all kinds of things you can do here. Walnuts. I want to thank you so much for watching. I want to ask if you would, I feel like I got some of my teeth. If you would like and subscribe.